Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to whip up something truly delicious, pan-fried spicy tofu with cilantro and sesame seeds. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, grab your firm tofu and give it a good slicing. Now here's a little trick. Keep that tofu water. We're going to mix it with some zesty Korean spicy sauce. Stir it up until it's all beautifully blended. Let's not forget the cilantro. Give it a thorough wash and then chop it up nice and fine. Now onto the cooking part. Take a nice flat bottomed pan, pour in some oil and lay down those tofu slices. Sizzle them up until they're gorgeously golden on both sides. Time for the sauce. Let it cascade over our tofu. Crank up the heat, let it bubble away for about 5 minutes until it's lusciously thick. Transfer everything onto a plate and then, for that final touch of brilliance, shower it with our chopped cilantro and white sesame seeds. And voila! Your pan-fried spicy tofu with cilantro and sesame seeds is ready to impress. Give this recipe a whirl and drop me a comment about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.